Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host of Tara Wells. Today's video is going to be a makeup review testing tutorial video. I have done loads of these. I've done different products, different places, everything, bargain videos, so there is more to come, and I will show you the product in about 2 minutes. But before we get into the actual product, I want to just go through the nitty gritty stuff first, which is if you like the product, the advice, the content, the video, anything at all in this video, then please do not forget to give it a massive thumbs up, because it tells me that you like it, it tells me that you want to see more, and I can bring more. So definitely give it a thumbs up. If you are new here and this is your 5th video you've seen from me, 20th, 30th, 200th video, and you're not subscribed, then you are more than welcome to come and join us. It would be more than grateful to my part, and then I know that you like my content and you like what I'm bringing out. If you want to do that, you can go on to YouTube for absolutely free, sign up, and then go on to tazwells12, and at the top there's a subscribe button. You click that and you subscribe to tazwells12. It's easy as that. It's not hard to do. So if you like the content, then I'll be more than grateful. Then you will be able to join the little love family and also my YouTube journey as we are going along. To the existing subscribers that have already joined and supported me as we're going along and stayed with me, you mean the world to me, and thank you very much. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands. It is all out of my own money. It is just an advice video for you guys to show you what the product looks like, what it plays like, what pigment it's giving, everything like that, and we can play around with it and what it works with, what it doesn't. It's not sponsored by any of the brands, it's just an advice video and out of my own money. Comment down below if you like the product, you've tried the product, or you've got a few products from this brand. Definitely give me a comment down below and I will comment back to you every single time and like your comment. Please check out my other social medias, which is 1 on Twitter, that needs updating, and 2 on Instagram, which is tazwells12, which is my main account, my normal account, and then you've got tazwells12 home, which is my home account. They do all need updating, but I'm trying to do this with a job and this is just a hobby. Please be supportive and patient. I do try and upload things, so there is things coming on there. It just might take a little bit of time. But please check them out. Follow, like, comment, whatever you like to do, please. It would be more than grateful. Now we can get into the video with the makeup review testing tutorial video. The product that we're going to review today, I don't know if you can see it. It says TOPSHOP on it. So this is a TOPSHOP lipstick. I actually got this out of TKMAXX yonks ago. It was in the reduced bit. Every time you go in TKMAXX, have a look at the reduced stuff, because they have brand stuff that's reduced. It's still good and you can definitely use it. But I brought this out of the reduced section. I can't remember how much it was. It was quite a while ago. I thought I've never tried a TOPSHOP product. I think I bought a foundation that day as well, and it was really dark, and I think I'd done the review on here. But we got a lipstick at the same time. Lipstick is a matte lipstick and it is in the colour Dairy, which is very, very tiny on the bottom. So it's a brown lipstick, as you can see, because this is what shows you the colour. I love the packaging, love the matte bit, love the shiny bit. So you take this off, screw this up, and that is what the lipstick looks like. So I haven't used this, haven't even tried it, and I thought I'm going to try it on this video with you today. So that's what the lipstick looks like. I know a lot of the TOPSHOP products, they used to do a makeup section. I know that a lot of the clothing has gone to ASOS, because obviously TOPSHOP is not around anymore, unfortunately. A load of people loved it, and I think that's why ASOS grabbed it. But I don't know if you can get makeup on that, so I don't know. But I thought, you know what, it might be worth trying this, and it's a brown lipstick that I've never tried, so it'd be worth trying. Lipstick. The closest lip liner I could get to it, I need to get a dark brown or brownish lip liner, and I know that. So maybe when I go to Primark next or somewhere else, I might look out for one. So at the minute I've got this brownish colour. It's quite like near to it, I suppose. It's going to be the nearest I can find. It might be a bit more reddy than the actual lipstick, but once I've got this on and then I go over this, you might not even see it. I'm going to go and use the lip liner from Primark, the PS range. I don't know if this is an old one or a newish one. I think it's a newish one because it actually tells you the colour. And this is in Spice, which is up here, but it also tells you on the pencil, which is here. So I think it's one of the new ones. Because like I was saying a little while in another video, I can't seem to find lip liners in the Primarks I go in. I don't know what's happened to them. I don't know if they've stopped them, but the lip liners, this one was only £1. Like, they were pucker lips liners. So that's why I've kept a load of them. But it's just unfortunately they don't do them anymore. So I am going to pin my hair up and then we're going to lip line in a time lapse, and then I will try the lipstick with you guys. Hair is clipped up, lips are lip lined. These are the creamiest things. So Primark, why are you not doing these anymore? Because these are really, really good. Like, you saw how quick I did that. It is beautiful. Now we're going to open this, the product we're going to review, and we will open it up like it's literally like brand new. I haven't even touched it. So this is going to be very, very interesting. Oh, it's 10 times darker than the lip liner. Hopefully I'll match with the lip liner, it'll be fine. It's got like a caramel sort of taste to it. Nice. Like, I like this, it's very nice. Very pigmented, as you can say. Very, very nice. Just, I matched it with a total wrong lip liner, but that was my fault because that was the only closest brown I had. Still working really well with it, love it. I'm just going to go over it another time just to give that pigment. Really creamy, lovely, lovely lipstick. Right, that's on my lips now, so we're going to wait a little bit to let that dry. But I really like that shade. I think it looks lovely. I think it looks, oh my god, I look a little bit gothy with the dark hair and the dark lip, but I'm kind of living for it. Why am I living for it? I do not know. This would not be eye colour I would go for, but you can imagine if you had like a really like white creamy jumper on, like very Christmassy or very like cozy jumper, and then this lipstick, a nice natural eye or brown eye. I know I always say a natural eye or brown eye with a dark lipstick, but I think if you do too much colour it goes over the top, or you could do like an autumny colour that look very nice on your eyes as well. But I don't like, my personal opinion, I don't like too much on the eye and then dark lip. I just think it looks way too much. Like, it would look, yeah, it's just too much. So I would either do like a nice browny eye or a nice like autumny eye, like the oranges and stuff like that, and then this lip, cream, crispy, cozy jumper, this would look really nice. So I'm gonna just put my hair down and we can talk about the verdict and maybe do the kiss test on the back of my hand, because it's saying it's matte, and I always do this when it's a matte one because we need to know if it's gonna work. Hair is down. We're gonna do the kiss test first because it's had like a couple of like minutes to sort of set itself. So we will do it on the back of the hand as always. Okay. Yeah, that's not too bad. Like, it's obviously coming out a little bit, but that's not too bad. It's not took any of the colour off, which is always a really good sign, because sometimes when it comes off in the back of your hand, it takes the colour off your lips, but no, it is definitely there. It's definitely on my lips. What are we going to give the verdict to this TOPSHOP lipstick? That's a matte lipstick in the colour Dairy. Wow, I'm actually surprisingly going to give this a massive thumbs up. I absolutely love this. I'm going to consider wearing this a little bit more. And as we're coming into the colder like months and the sort of Christmas period, I think this is going to be a winner for me. I think I'm going to like this, and I'm quite gutted that TOPSHOP have gone, because I'm going to be quite gutted if their sort of makeup range is gone, because this lipstick, right, there's some good points in this. It is creamy, it is pigmented, it sits well on your lips, it works with other products that are cheaper, so like the lip liner from Primark. It has stayed on my lips when we've pretty much done the kiss test. There's very tiny bit that's come off, but most of the colour is still on there. It's a really comfortable lipstick. Like, I don't feel like I've got a matte lipstick on as well. It's honestly, love the packaging. There were some good little pointers of this lipstick, and I'm really glad that I took out my comfort zone and picked this up, because I physically do love this, and I can imagine, like, even this, the vibe that I've got going with like my brown hair and my fringe, and just like a little bit of mascara on and this like mocha sort of jumper on, it goes pretty damn well, I think. And I think it'll look even better like if you had that white jumper on, that white crispy cream jumper, it would look good. So my rating for the whole thing is a massive thumbs up. I love it so much. Unfortunately, we have come to the end of the video for the TOPSHOP matte lipstick in Dairy, this brown colour. This was off the whim, and I'm glad I picked it up, because now I am a massive fan of it, and I give a rating of a thumbs up. If you liked the video, then like I said at the beginning, please do not forget to give the video a smashing thumbs up. Tells me that you like it, tells me that you like the product and you like the video and the advice I give you all in general. Please come and subscribe to tazwells12 by hitting the subscribe button on my main page, and come in and join in the love family that I've got going on here and my YouTube journey as we go forward. Like I said, everything is absolutely free. If you're an existing subscriber, then thank you very much, like I've always said to you. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands, any of TOPSHOP, any other places that I did mention. It is all out of my own money, or TKMAXX or ASOS. None of them at all. It's all out of my own money and an advice video for you guys. Please check out my other social medias, which is 1 on Twitter, 2 on Instagram. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please. It would be more than grateful to me. Comment down below on if you've tried TOPSHOP product before and you absolutely love them. If ASOS still do them, the makeup brand, I would love to know, because it would be a good little future thing to know, because then I might grab some more. So let me know down below. I will like, comment every single time and comment back to you. But this is the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed. Thank you for watching and thank you for supporting. I hope everyone has a lovely day or a lovely evening, and I will see you soon, guys. Bye.